Have you ever felt outnumbered? Like everything is against you? That fear in your chest, telling you can't make it. Listen carefully. Fear disappears when you say, Hasbunallahu wa ni'mal wakeel. Allah says in Surah Al Imran,
الذين قال لهم الناس إن الناس قد جمعوا لكم فاخشوهم فزادهم إيمانا وقالوا حسبنا الله ونعم الوكيل.
Those to whom people said, Indeed, the people have gathered against you, so fear them. But it only increased them in faith, and they said, Sufficient for us is Allah, and He is the best disposer of affairs. The companions of the Prophet were told, Your enemies are too many. You should be afraid. But instead of fear, their iman grew stronger. They didn't see the size of the army. They saw the power of Allah. This is tawakkul. To know that no matter how strong your enemies are, your protector is stronger. That when the world says, be afraid, your heart whispers, Allah is enough for me. Fear is natural. But tawakkul transforms fear into courage. Because when Allah is with you, numbers don't matter, resources don't matter, outcomes don't matter. The only thing that matters is your trust in Him. Comment, Hasbunallahu wa ni'mal wakeel. Save this reminder for the days you feel afraid. Follow for more Quran-based hope and motivation.